With the electronic payments and waiver exchange feature in GCPay, you can simplify your payment process and guarantee the timely receipt of lien waivers. Let's have a look. Navigate to the ACH tab of a project where electronic payments are enabled. You'll see all the approved payment applications that are ready to be paid. You can quickly review Pay App detail and any associated lien waivers. Unconditional waivers can be collected from the subcontractor at the time of Pay App submission. These waivers can be reviewed and accepted, but remain locked and watermarked as an unofficial copy until payment is received by the subcontractor. Now, select the invoices you want to pay. Make adjustments to the payment amount or account for joint checks if necessary, and create the payment batch. Now you're queued for payment. Once payment has been received, the waiver is unlocked and the watermark is removed. By automating the exchange of lien waivers for payment in GCPay, your subs are paid faster and you'll never need to chase down a waiver again. Learn more about how electronic payments and waiver exchange in GCPay can help your business save time, money, and improve cash flow. Contact GCPay for a free demo today.